i35equipment.com. This is a Volvo EC220 EL hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local one-state company if you prefer. We are open by appointment only though. Just give us a call, get on the calendar, and we'll be happy to have the gates open for you. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. So again, this machine shipped to you shouldn't be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment just sitting around, give us a call, fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment, and we help you get your machinery sold. This 220 is pretty well loaded. It's got hydraulics, auxiliary hydraulics on the front there in case you need to add a hydraulic thumb or other attachment. Currently, it has a heavy-duty Rockland manual thumb already installed, great for pulling trees, sorting scrap, doing demolition work, loading trucks and everything else. That's a Hensley bucket with 5 teeth and cutting wings. Excellent power. Rear view camera, cold AC, hot heat. Does have the hand and safety rails on it. Those are very straight, which makes me think it's either been well cared for or just been kept away from everything. A little bit of both. Working horn and travel alarm, dual travel speeds. This power class that the 220 sits in is a strong machine. Great for your heavy digging and heavy loading. Up here and grab some concrete for you. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll unlock the gate and show you where to dump. Please no grass, trash, or trees. That's a big piece of concrete. That Rockland thumb has 3 tines or fingers, and they are serrated to give you a better grip. If you were mine, I'd be out here using it to pull these cedar trees. We're gonna let him get parked. We'll take a look at all the access panels, at the motor and everything else, and we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around outside there. Like I said, 5 teeth, cutting wings, 3 tines or fingers that are serrated on this heavy duty thumb. And you can pin that thumb up and away for unhindered digging if needed. There's 1.34 cubic yard capacity on that bucket. Now, if you're doing a special project, need a different bucket for a different purpose, we do have both new and used buckets available for this machine that you can add on. You see our full inventory buckets on the website as well, www.i35equipment.com. Go ahead and hop up here and take a look around. Storage here, you see some tools or grease to take along with you. Good beer. These handrails can be flipped up to give you extra safety. Some job sites require it. the Volvo diesel engine. 173 horsepower, 5.7. Visible blow by. It's all really dry, really clean. Looks good from here. Hydraulic fluid fills back here, diesel fill here, definitely there. Looks like it's had a service at 1954 hours. Really good undercarriage so far. Real good undercarriage. Rear work light, rear camera. Like I said, you can see all the photos, all the specs, and everything else on the website. www.i35equipment.com. This looks good. Looks like all the guards and panels are there. In here, you have your operator control valve changer. You see the two different patterns you can select from right there. That's your legend for that. Also, it says if you need to plug it in. I don't see the plug-in, but I'm sure. Oh yeah, right here. Walk heater right there. Kind of nice. It's hooked up there, so you can't get lost. Looks like we've got work 3 on the front work lights. There's one there and one there. Oh, another one on the step. This thing will light it up if you ever had to work before or after daylight. Currently sitting at 23:13 hours. Cold working AC in here today. Move that here out of the way and get this door shut so keep some of the dust out and the cool air in. Alright, so inside, just show you all your switches and your joysticks. It does have dual sunshades. This one pulls forward, but it can drop back, and this one pulls down. Again, turn these lights off so I don't forget about them. Kind of bright here. Okay. Looks good though. Shows you you're in ISO control pattern. Cold AC, RPMs, all the gauges look good. No code showing. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call. Like I said earlier, you can see all the specs, photos, info on the website, www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.